Our third judge is a content creator who runs popular social media channel focused on gardening, plant care, and the benefits of various plants. Business owner, seminar training facilitator, and public servant as well. Tara na, tabang tayo, my friend! Iginagalang Tres Hermes Sanaho.